My name is Jocelyn Davies and I'm the Chair of the Finance Committee. One of the most important aspects of the Finance Committee's work is the scrutiny of the Welsh Government spending, specifically their budget. Finance affects every aspect of our lives, from whether you've got enough money to buy food or a holiday, to much wider issues such as whether we can afford to run our hospitals and our schools. These are the issues that we as the National Assembly's Finance Committee look at. It's our job to make sure that money is spent wisely and effectively. Every year, the Welsh Government announces how much it's going to spend on areas such as health, education, local authorities, improving the economy. In addition, we will be looking at the money spent on capital projects such as small business projects, spending on transport and the environment. This year, the Welsh Government's budget was more than £15 billion. Next year, because of the continual financial pressures we are under, it may be less, so it's crucial that every pound spent delivers value for money. We will be looking very closely at the Welsh Government's plans when it announces its draft budget later this year, not just to see what it's spending its money on, but also how to consider whether it's spending enough in the right areas to do just what it says it wants to do. You can help us with our inquiry. We want to hear your opinions. How financially prepared do you think Wales is to deliver the essential services we need? You can find more information about our inquiry on our website and by following us on Twitter.